And he clearly mentioned in the Gospel of Matthew, chapter number 5, verse number 17 to 20, Jesus Christ, peace be upon him, said, "Think not that I have come to destroy the law of the prophets. I have come not to destroy, but to fulfill. And until the heaven and the earth pass away, not one jot or tittle will pass away from the law until all be fulfilled. And whosoever shall break one of the least commandments and teach men to do so shall be called least in the kingdom of heaven. And whosoever shall keep the commandments and teach the same will be called great in the kingdom of heaven. Unless your righteousness exceeds the righteousness of the scribes and the Pharisees, in no way shall you enter the kingdom of heaven." This is a verbatim quotation from the King James Version, Gospel of Matthew, chapter number 5, verse number 17 to 20. That means if you want to go to paradise, you have to be better than the Jews. And you have to follow all the commandments, what is mentioned in the Old Testament. So all what I said in the Old Testament, that God is one, you don't have to make images, have to be followed by the Christians if they want to go to heaven.